Traditional customer education often pigeonholes users into role-based learning paths. However, customers aren't just looking to learn a role. They're trying to achieve a specific goal with your product. They want to solve a problem, reach a goal, or unlock new capabilities. It's time we shift our focus from who they are to what they genuinely want to achieve. This makes their learning experience far more relevant and impactful. The traditional approach to learning and training often falls short in meeting the real needs of customers. We organize content and resources based on job roles and responsibilities, such as admin training, end-user onboarding, and developer documentation. While this role-based approach is essential, it assumes that roles define all of a person's learning needs. But that's only half the story. Customers don't wake up thinking, "I need admin training." They're focused on solving problems, reaching their goals, and getting value quickly. We need to go beyond just role-based learning and also consider the tasks, workflows, and desired outcomes that drive our customers. By understanding their actual needs and goals, we can create more effective and personalized learning experiences. So, if the traditional approach falls short, what's the solution? It's time to introduce goal-based learning paths. This isn't just about offering more content. It's about providing smarter, more relevant content. Goal-based learning paths are built on 3 fundamental pillars that directly address the challenges we just discussed. Let's look at how they empower our customers. Outcome-focused. Point to the outcome-focused box. First, these paths are outcome-focused. This means learning is organized entirely around what our customers want to accomplish, not just their job titles. It moves beyond "an admin needs this" to "a customer wants to achieve X, so here's how." The second type of learning paths is problem-driven. We directly address the specific challenges and real-world scenarios our customers encounter daily. Imagine finding a solution not just for how to use a feature, but for how to fix my common error, or how to onboard a new team member efficiently. And third, they are value-aligned. Every learning module and resource is directly connected to measurable business outcomes and a clear return on investment. Customers see a direct line from learning to achieving their ultimate goal. Ultimately, goal-based learning meets customers exactly where they are, focused on their immediate needs and desired outcomes. This approach fundamentally transforms education from a generic, often overwhelming, "here's what you can do" experience, to a targeted and empowering, "here's how to achieve what you need." It's about empowering them to succeed quickly and effectively. Building on our discussion of goal-based learning paths, let's look at how this translates into tangible, real-world examples. This slide illustrates how we can transition from generic, role-based training to targeted, actionable outcomes that deliver tangible results for our customers. Notice the stark contrast between the traditional approach and what goal-based learning has to offer. Consider HubSpot. Instead of offering a broad, often overwhelming marketing manager training, which leaves the customer to figure out how it applies to their specific needs, we focus on a clear goal: generate 100 qualified leads in 30 days. This immediately tells the customer the direct business value and empowers them to achieve a measurable outcome. For Notion users, rather than a generic team member onboarding program, which might cover many things but few specifics, imagine a learning path designed to set up a project dashboard for remote teams. This directly addresses a common pain point and provides a practical, immediate solution that enhances productivity for their specific context. And with Salesforce, instead of a broad sales rep training, which could be anything from product features to closing techniques, we offer something much more targeted: automate lead scoring to boost conversions. This isn't just about using a feature. It's about optimizing a process to achieve a direct, positive impact on their sales pipeline and ROI. In each of these examples, we're moving beyond teaching how to use a tool or what a role entails, and instead, we're focusing on teaching how to achieve a specific, impactful result. This fundamental shift is what makes goal-based learning so powerful and effective. Now, let's explore why this approach resonates so deeply and yields such significant benefits for both our customers and our business. So far, we've explored what, goal-based learning paths look like, with real-world examples from HubSpot, Notion, and Salesforce. Now let's dive into the critical question. Why does this approach work so effectively, and how does it fundamentally transform customer success? First, and perhaps most importantly, think about it. People don't invest in software just for its features. They buy it to solve specific problems and achieve tangible goals. When our learning paths directly address these desired results, they resonate far more deeply with customers, leading to significantly higher engagement and successful adoption. It's about moving beyond how to use a button to how to achieve a business objective with this button. This leads directly to our second point. When customers can quickly identify and follow learning paths that are precisely tailored to their immediate needs, they implement solutions much faster. This rapid understanding and application mean they see a return on their investment sooner, which is crucial for reducing churn and dramatically increasing overall customer satisfaction. It transforms their experience from frustration to empowerment. And finally, this approach is profound. By framing learning around specific customer outcomes, we're not just teaching them about our product. We're actively demonstrating how our product capabilities directly contribute to their business success and growth strategy. This strategic alignment makes our platform not just helpful, but truly indispensable to their operations. In essence, shifting to a goal-based learning model isn't just a pedagogical improvement. It's a strategic imperative that deepens customer relationships, drives product adoption, and solidifies our position as a vital partner in their success. Next, we'll discuss how we can combine this powerful approach with other strategies to create an even more robust and impactful learning ecosystem. The winning combination of role-based and goal-based learning is a powerful approach to customer education. Role-based learning provides foundational knowledge based on responsibilities and access levels. Goal-based learning delivers actionable paths to specific outcomes and measurable results. Combining these two strategies into an integrated approach yields a comprehensive and transformational learning experience. This allows you to establish baseline knowledge through role-based foundations, then layer on goal-based paths to drive specific outcomes. The result is a customer education program that serves both organizational structure and individual ambitions. Now, let's summarize the importance of shifting from role-based to outcome-driven learning strategies for customer education. The key is to focus on who your customers are and what they want to achieve, rather than just their job roles. This allows you to create more impactful and relevant learning experiences. Successful SaaS companies are already adopting this approach. By combining customer personas with their desired outcomes, you can build goal-based learning paths that drive real business impact. You should start thinking about how you can apply this goal-based learning approach in your own organization. It's a powerful way to enhance your customer education. How are you applying goal-based learning in your organization? Share your experience and tag someone who needs to see this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such valuable content.